Hello and welcome to another Nucida video session dealing with XRay, the #1 JIRA test management plugin. You may know that the Nucida Group is official XRay consulting partner. Therefore, we are going to explain you the latest XRay features as well as the planned gadgets. They will be released within the next months. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest news and impress your colleagues. Do not forget to click on the bell, which will automatically inform you about our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our Nucida QA experts will answer your questions. XBlend has released a free testing tool, the XRay Exploratory Testing App, or in short XEA, some time ago. With this tool you can execute exploratory as well as manual testing. Exploratory testing can be introduced in any stage of the testing process, and it's a great fit for both agile and document-related software development life cycles because it's extremely flexible and requires minimum upfront preparation. You can introduce exploratory testing by exploring early iterations of the product to generate ideas for future tests or identify gaps and opportunities in the product. You can also use exploratory testing to review the product from the user's point of view or perform user acceptance testing. Furthermore, it's also great to help you understanding the product better and grow as an experienced tester. And it's a great opportunity also to generate ideas for automation scripts. With exploratory testing you can test feature branches before and after merge. And it's a great way to involve stakeholders in the testing process, so you promote the culture of quality. It's a desktop app that works for Windows and for Mac, and it will help you gather evidence and share your evidence with your team. So basically, you can see there's a copilot in your exploratory testing sessions. It has all the tools you need to gather evidence, screenshots, you can record videos as well as audio. Furthermore, you can annotate and take notes whilst you're testing activities. You have an activity timeline, in which you can arrange and rearrange all your collected data. At the end of your session, you can report your results, thoughts, and annotations, which can be exported as a PDF report. And the star of the app is that it integrates with XRay and JIRA, so all your efforts in exploratory testing can be easily pushed back into XRay. Besides of that, you can start and execute manual engineering tests from XRay in the XRay Exploratory Testing App. So, it's a free app, and over the past quarter, we have been working on developing the version 3 of the app, and we are very happy to announce that we are opening the registration for a beta program where we are looking for your opinion, your feedback, and what are your thoughts for the future of the app. To register in the beta program, all you must do is to complete the registration form. You will find the registration link in the comment section. After registration, you will receive exclusive access to the version 3 of the app. Every beta tester can give us his feedback about the new XRay Exploratory Testing App version 3. And some of them can have a meeting with the product manager. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. So, if you're very curious to see what we are preparing for version 3 of the XRay Exploratory Testing App, be sure that you sign up for the beta program because we have very limited spots available as well. The XRay Exploratory Testing App gives testers the opportunity not just to follow a script but to be able to do some exploration. Let's call it like that, in their own test during their own testing. So, the XRay Exploratory Testing App will allow to record sessions and share these sessions to XRay. It is a very interesting tool. It is for free. So, it's completely separate from XRay as well as from JIRA. It's not a JIRA app. The tool can be a very good complement to XRay and JIRA, but it can also work independently from them. There are 3 operation modes available. First, we can use the application in the standalone mode. In this mode you can collect several evidence of your tests like screenshots, videos, audios, notes, and you can save that session and export it to a zip or PDF file where you read the test report with its linked evidence by using the respective tools. The other way of connecting exploratory application is to JIRA instance that doesn't have XRay installed, and the difference from the previous mode is that you can create JIRA issues from the exploratory app. For example, you can create bugs or any other kind of issue that you have configured in JIRA. And finally, the third mode that I am going to demo here represents the full integration of the XRay Exploratory app with the JIRA and the XRay, which brings you the real power from this new XRay add-on, because you can execute XRay generic tests and manual tests, which reside in the JIRA database. Besides of that, you can create the XRay issue types test, test execution, and test run. You can upload videos or other types of evidence to a test. You can create and map defects and upload the test evidence and the session PDF report to a test. Maybe you have overseen this tiny tool. But now, the tool is going to gain more features and will become important. We advise you to take a closer look now. Use XBlend's beta program to test the new XRay Exploratory Testing App. This tool could close the gap in manual as well as exploratory testing and could bring your test team to the next performance level in terms of manual testing. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. If you would like to be part of the beta program, just write us in the comments and leave your email address. We will take care of that. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. Happy testing and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage nucida.com to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.